Class 10, exercise number 4.2, question number 2. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB and DC are parallel. Let me take it as AB and then CD. Here AB and DC are parallel, that is given, and P and Q are the point on the side AD and BC. This is the P and Q are the point on the side AD and BC respectively, such that the PQ is, the line PQ is parallel to line DC. The line PQ is parallel to the line DC, and then PD is given as 18 centimeter, BQ is given as 35 centimeter, and QC is given as 15 centimeter. Find AD. We want to find out what is the measurement of AD, right? By the given condition, let me take it as in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, see the triangle is ACD is like this. This is D, this is A, this is C. In between we have P, right? Let me take this intersection portion as S, right? So P and S. So P to Q is parallel means then that P to S is also parallel to DC. So this is the parallel condition. So PS is parallel to DC, right? By BPT, basic proportionality theorem, we can able to write the formula for this. AS divided by SC is equal to AP divided by PD. AP divided by PD. That is the formula, right? So by basic proportionality theorem, PS is condition parallel to DC, right? The total line PQ is parallel means then half of the line also we got the parallel line, right? So PS is parallel to DC. Then by basic proportionality theorem, AS divided by SC is equal to AP divided by PD, right? So AS we don't know what is the value, and SC also we don't know the value, but AP and PD we know the value, right? So AS divided by SC is equal to AP is equal to X PD, right? PD is equal to 18. Let me take it as equation number 1. Next, in triangle, see, in triangle ABC, this triangle, in triangle ABC, I am drawing here this triangle. This is the triangle of ABC. Let ABC, the line SQ. Here P to Q is parallel means half of the line SQ also parallel to AB, right? Because DC is parallel to AB means then this line also parallel to AB. So we can able to write the formula. So by the condition of parallel, that is SQ is parallel to AB, by basic proportionality theorem BPT, we can able to write the formula, that is AS divided by SC is equal to BQ divided by QC, right? AS, I am starting from here, so you have to, another side also we have to starting from the base. AS divided by SC, here also we are starting from base, BQ plus QC, BQ plus divided by QC. Now we don't know the value of AS and SC, but we know the value of BQ and QC. BQ is equal to 35, right? And QC is equal to 15. So BQ is equal to 35 divided by 15. Let me take it as equation number 2. See that first and second equation we can replace the term AS divided by SC. AS divided by SC are both the term. Replacing in the place of AS divided by SC is equal to X by 18, right? From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, X divided by 18 is equal to 35 divided by 15. In the place of AS divided by SC, I replace the value X divided by 18, right? So X divided by 18 is equal to 15 divided by 35 divided by 15. Then we want to find the value of X. So 35 divided by 15, it is in the denominator. I take it to another side means it is in the multiplication. So 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So X is equal to 7 6 are 42 centimeter. So X is equal to 42 centimeter. Therefore, the length AD is equal to 42 centimeter. Sorry, the length AP is equal to 42 centimeter. Here we have take it only the AP is equal to x. They asking what is AD. They asking what is AD, right? So the total length we have to add, that is the AD. So AD is equal to AP plus PD is equal to AP is, now we have find out that is 42 plus PD is 18. So sum of this term is equal to 60 centimeter. Therefore AD is equal to 60 centimeter is the answer. Thank you, students.